eat in Ramadan? Because for you and me as a month near, that is the first thing on our mind. Because for many of us, Ramadan is the month of feasting, not the month of fasting. In many cultures, when Ramadan comes, there are special food dishes that are reserved for Ramadan. Special fried objects, special sweet dishes only for Ramadan. Ramadan has become a feasting festival. A month in which we meet lots of people, we eat, we fill our bellies, we get too exhausted for Taraweeh. The Prophet ﷺ, his norm when it came to eating was that nothing would be cooked in his house for months on end. What did he live on? What was the main staple diet of the Prophet ﷺ? Al-aswadan, dates and water. Ramadan of the Prophet ﷺ, food and feasting was not a part of it, but it is a part of our Ramadan. So there's a challenge I give all of you, especially the fathers and especially the heads of the household. It's called the 1 meal challenge. Every day in Ramadan for iftar, try not to have more than 1 meal prepared, or whatever, 1 dish. Because what happens when you have 16 dishes on the table? Who spends the vast majority of the time cooking in the kitchen rather than worshipping Allah? And all the focus, the emphasis becomes the food. When we learn about the Prophet's Ramadan, food's not even mentioned there, because it was not even a point of concern for him.